Welcome back. This is packet number 3, part 1. We are going to get started on proportions, and this proportion we have seen before. It is the proportion part over whole equals percent over 100. There's a great example at the top if you'd like to look at that in order to help you start. We're going to do 3 examples together and 3 on your own. So again, we're looking at that part over whole equals percent over 100. Just as a reminder, remember the word is goes with part and the word of goes with the whole. So when you see those words, that is representing your part or whole. Okay, so we're going to start over on number 1. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can kind of see what we're doing. Number 1 is sort of started for you already. So we see that 78% is already there. Percent is a good place to start. It kind of shows you what you need. If you don't have percent, then that means that's what you're trying to find. If you do have percent, then you're either trying to find part or whole. So we have 78% of 50. Of 50 means that it is the whole. So we're trying to find the part. So you have 78 over 100 equals x over 50. You can use p for part if you'd rather use that, but x is fine as well. And remember, percent is always over 100. And in order to solve this, we're going to do our cross multiplication. So you're going to circle your diagonals first, and whatever you circle together is what you multiply together. So I'm going to multiply 100 times x equals 78 times 50. We know 100 times x is 100x, and we know 78 times 50 is 3,900. In order to get x by itself, we're going to do the opposite of multiply, which is to divide. And remember, you show division as a fraction. And we're going to divide by 100. $100x divided by 100 is x, or 1x, which equals 39, because 3,900 divided by 100 is 39. So your part is 39. I want you to try and do number 2 on your own. It's exactly the same as number 1. You have your percentage, 54%, and you have your whole, and you're trying to find your part. Looking at number 3. The number 110 is what percent of 500? So we don't have percent, so that means we're trying to find percent. So you can automatically put x over 100. Remember, the word is goes for part. So 110 is our part, and of is whole. So that means 500 is our whole. So we'll have 110 over 500. Again, cross multiply, circle those diagonals. So we're going to have 500 times x equals 100 times 110. 500 times x is 500x, and 100 times 110 is 11,000. Doing the opposite to get x by itself, we're going to divide, and we're going to divide by 500. 500x divided by 500 is x, and 11,000 divided by 500 is 22. So what percent? 22%. If you look at number 4, it is the same thing. So you're going to do it on your own. You have your part, you have your whole. 21 is your part, 75 is your whole. Okay, number 5 says the number 88 is 44% of what number? You already see percentage. And 88 that is your part. So we're trying to find the whole. So you're going to have 44 over 100 equals 88 over x. And again, cross multiply. So we're going to have 44 times x equals 88 times 100. 44 times x is 44x. 88 times 100 is 8,800 or 8,800. We're going to divide, and you're going to divide by 44. 44x divided by 44 is just x, and 8,800 divided by 44 is 200. So our whole is 200. And I'd like for you to try number 6 on your own. It's the same thing as number 5. You have your percentage and you have your part. You're trying to find your whole. If you need any help, have any questions, please go to Google Classroom, use Remind, or email if you need any help or just want to say hi. Hope you're having a great day.